Hi, I'm Miss Kim with the Florence County Museum. Welcome to Mornings at the Museum. Today we're going to be talking about shapes. Right now I'm in the museum's Focus Gallery in an exhibit called Kindred Spirits. This exhibition is all about an artist named William Henry Johnson. William Henry Johnson was born right here in Florence in 1901, a very long time ago. Behind me is a painting by William Henry Johnson called Up with the Sun. Take a minute to notice how William Henry Johnson used simple lines and shapes in his artwork. Do you see any shapes that you recognize in Johnson's artwork? Let's look together for a moment. Look up at the sky. Do you notice how the sunrise, the little sky in the sunrise is like a rectangle, and the sun is like a half circle? Look at the wheels of the wagon. What shape are those? How about the chimney? Up top, the chimney of the house. What shape do you see there? Let's read a book about shapes, and then we'll come back and take one more look at William Henry Johnson's artwork. This book is called Museum Shapes. All of the artworks in this book can be found at the Metropolitan Museum of Art in New York City. Museum Shapes. What shape decorates the Harlequin's costume? Look closely. What shape do you see? A square. You can also find squares in other artworks around the museum. Do you notice any squares in William Henry Johnson's artwork? What shape is the wheel? In this artwork, what shape is the wheel? A circle. Take a look at some of the other artworks that show circles. Do you see any circles in William Henry Johnson's artwork? What shape are the flags? What shape is that? It's a rectangle. Look at these other examples of rectangles in artworks. How about in William Henry Johnson's artworks? Do you see any rectangles? What shape is the man's hat? What shape is that? A triangle. We can find all sorts of triangles in artwork. What about in William Henry Johnson's artwork? Do you see a triangle? What shape is the woman's hand mirror? There's her mirror. What shape is that? An oval. Do you see any ovals in William Henry Johnson's artwork? What shape is the opening in the cliff? This is a tricky one. It's an arch. You can see arches in all of the artworks shown here. Do you see something similar to an arch shape in William Henry Johnson's artwork? What shape is the moon? What shape is this moon? You can see one here. It's a crescent. This shape is called a crescent. What shape is on the baby's jumper? What shape is that on the baby's clothing? A diamond shape. What shape is the man's book? Oh, that's an interesting shaped book. It's a heart. There are lots of examples of hearts in artwork. What shape is the angel holding? Let's see right here. What shape is that? A star. You can find stars in lots of different artworks if you look closely. Now, William Henry Johnson's artwork has a lot of the shapes that we saw in the Museum Shapes book. You might see the tops of the trees that look like ovals, or the sun, that kind of half circle shape almost looks like the top of an arch. The rectangles of the tree branches and tree trunks, circles and the wagon wheels. William Henry Johnson used very simple shapes in his artwork. Next time you visit the Florence County Museum, take some time to walk around the galleries and see if you notice any of these shapes that we've talked about today in the artworks that you find here. Come and visit and go on a shape hunt. Have a great day.